Good morning, Evelyn. You got morning hiccups? Yeah. Uh-oh. What are you looking at? Hmm? Did you have a nice go poo-poo? Yeah, are you waving? Hi. Hello. Hi. You got a beautiful day. Today is Saturday. I think it's the 23rd. Yeah. How many days old are you? So we got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 4 days old. Wow. And just as pretty as ever. Just as pretty as ever. We love you this morning. Gotta get rid of those hiccups. Have some breakfast. Yeah? Does that sound like a good plan? You thumbs up? Thumbs up? Eyes up? Open them out? Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right, let's do this. See you later. See you later.